Daniel. Welcome to my show. So, I love cooking, so I decided why not teach you just how fun it is. There's always something sizzling somewhere, so it's up to me to make you understand that you can grasp it like life. Because life is like a club sandwich. You grasp it with both hands. Join me on this cooking adventure and make sure to check out my channel often, as I will be posting videos give or take once a week. Please subscribe and tell your friends about my YouTube channel. Oh, one more thing, and with every video I will do a shout out to some organization or person who's doing good in the world. So stay tuned.